Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to correctly install a new temperature sensor in a heater when it comes to its replacement. Let's start with some basics. Every heater may have from 2 to 6 heating elements, depending on machine's model. But every heater has only one temperature sensor that you will have to identify. It is very important that the temperature sensor should be in firm touch with a heating element. If it is not, then the liquid material passing between the heating rod and the sensor would make the temperature reading incorrect. That might lead to constant overheating of the product. Finally, temperature sensor is sealed with a special biconic seal, which is of a single use only, so whenever it comes to replace a heater TSU, you should use a new one. So, you will need a temperature sensor, check its part ID depending on machine's model. A special kit RA00231, which consists of a nipple, a biconic seal and a nut. You will also require a B-material O-ring, OR00054, to separate the nipple from the heating element. So, after removing the old sensor, first of all twist tightly the new nipple with the O-ring using a matrix spanner 19. After that, put on the nut and the biconic seal on the TSU. Insert the TSU in the nipple and keep holding the sensor tightly with one hand while twisting the nut with the other. Make sure it is in a firm touch with the heating element. Use a matrix spanner 17 and fix it tightly to finish the installation. It is highly important to install the sensor in a good physical contact with the heating rod, otherwise the machine will not work properly. I hope that you have enjoyed our new video, and remember that you can always find more technical tips following our social networks.